Guys, just 1 second before the video starts, I want to thank you for watching, subscribing, and liking my videos. It's really helping. And just to let you know that down below in the description, you'll see a link to all the tools that I love and use. So if you ever have any questions, check it out. I'm always updating it, so stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino. I'm at my first job for today. A repeat customer. Really happy with my work last time. They were selling, call me back. So pet has some accidents throughout the house, throwing up and stuff like that. So I'm treating this stuff with Unchained. Any staining, I'll probably do a post spray with 20 volume. So I'm going through the house and hitting all these spots, which I already did. I did already, but I'm just going back through and make sure I didn't miss anything. Before I break out my multi-wash and scrub, do my pre-scrub. So some areas right here, I'm pretty confident they're not going to disappear all the way. I already sprayed this once. I gotta put some more in here. We'll see how that works. So here's some fingernail polish. I'll hit that. Once I get to it, I'll probably use some POG. And so basically, that's pretty much what I'm gonna focus this video on today. Spot remover. Alright, so I'll get my bottle and put that down there so I'll have to go back to the van and get it in the middle of cleaning. I don't like to let the POG sit there. I just want to hit it, let it dwell for a couple seconds, extract multiple times till it disappears. So hopefully we can do that. This room had some pet staining already disappeared. There was a big one here and some more. One back there I need to scrub. So as you notice, when I hit it with the Unchained, I like to get a little agitation that way. It just gets around the fiber, you know, and not just sits on top. So yeah, it looks like it's disappearing. That's a red stain that was there last time I was here. I probably hit it with the post spray, but it did not disappear. Okay, in this area rug right here, this is a viscose slash wool slash viscose, right? Which means they're really hard to clean. You see how you do that, it gets darker? All right, so I'm using a special solution for it. I'm gonna do a little moisture. I'm gonna use my little Auric, and I'm gonna use Viscose Safe solution that I got from Chemex. Yeah, so I let the customer know I'm not gonna do hot water extraction on this, and basically can't guarantee total results, but I'll do it the safest and use professional products for this specialty type of rug. I'm giving them a good deal on this. I only charge them $20 extra, but yeah, since they're using me multiple times, I like to do that. All right, so stay tuned. Maybe I'll do a little bit of spot removal, stain removal. This one right here, and I'll do a little bit of the area rug. All right, so this is some color. I'm not sure what it is. If it's a synthetic dye of some sort, but it's bluish, so I'm gonna hit it with that. Then I'm gonna hit this once more, this red. Right now, and by the time I'm done, maybe it'll do its thing and make this a little lighter. And then if it doesn't disappear, I will offer the customer steaming it out, which is additional. Alright guys, so that was the nail polish. What I used was paint, oil, and grease remover, otherwise known as POG. This blue spot over here isn't going anywhere. I'm thinking this is synthetic dye, and the only way to possibly have a chance is to steam it out, and the customer's not, they don't want to worry about that so much. Alright guys, so customers took off for a second, but I let them take a look at the finished carpet, and they were just blown away. They were surprised that I would be able to get out that nail polish, and all the pet stains gone. Smells great. I will ask them to turn on these fans on full blast. Yeah, she was really worried about this area. There were some spots, and I was talking to her about the red stain, and they're really not too much worried about that. They said she was more concerned about the spots right here in the living room. I mean, right in the entryway of the master. And literally, and when she said that, I said, well, that's already gone. Before I even cleaned it, I just spotted it and scrubbed it, and it was gone. So, yeah, everything looks brand new carpet. And for the last area, beautiful. All except for that little red spot back there, but it's very, very light. So I did do a little post spray. No wait, no, I didn't do a post spray on that. I'm not gonna do a post spray on that. I would, except for this is probably a nylon Berber, and I could lighten it a little bit, which really wouldn't make a difference because it'd be lightening the red. So anyway, it goes if you stay. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put all the way on my hoses. I'm gonna bring out my Oric. I'm gonna mix up me some solution for this rug right here. Knock this out and head off to my next. Stay tuned. All right, so this is the solution I'm gonna be using. This is a specialty rug shampoo here. So this is specific for a rayon type of a rug. So manufacturer says if you're gonna do in home, do low moisture. And that's so I got the Orc today. I used the Iron Man bonnet. I'm gonna go ahead and mix up my solution in my sprayer. So it calls for 2 ounces per gallon. The sprayer comes with a little measuring cup too. It's awesome. So I'm gonna put 1 ounce in there because I'm not going to be using the whole entire gallon. Okay. Shit, I think I was a little under. All right, so rug was already vacuumed. I'm gonna go ahead and put water in this, get started. All right, guys, that's it. A lot of little wool stuff came up there. I told her once it dries, go ahead and run a vacuum over it. Which will be good. That area right there is just really well trafficked. I would have did a hot water extraction on this, except for because it has Viscose. I think that's how you pronounce it. If I'm not pronouncing it right, forgive me. I know what it is though. And so I wasn't gonna risk it. So yeah, so once it dries up, it's all gonna lighten up and be pretty. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this stuff up and head off to my next job. See you in the next one.